Hey everybody, it's time for look what we found out for the trash. So tonight we were out cruising around and we found this Craftsman 550 series Briggs & Stratton push mower with a bag with a really wonky looking wheel. Then we picked up a fan and just quickly looking at the fan, it looks like somebody has chewed on the cord, either a rodent or an animal. And we picked up a couple pallets because we always need some pallets to put stuff on, usually firewood or something. So anywho, that's what we got out of the trash, and we will make some out for the trash videos on the fan and on the lawnmower up and coming. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you like the videos, thumbs down. And this is our new videos that are up and coming. Thanks for watching.